In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Microsoft Teams. Best method, 5 minutes. By the end, your Trello board will be connected to Teams, so updates and collaboration flow smoothly between the two. You'll need an active Trello account and access to Microsoft Teams, and depending on your organization, you may need admin approval to finish the connection. Start by signing into Trello in your browser. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you have permission to manage power-ups on the board you want to connect. This integration is configured at the board level, so choose the specific board where the collaboration will happen. Open that board, then look for the Power-Ups option at the top of the board. This is Trello's built-in app marketplace where you can browse integrations and enhance your board's functionality. Click Add Power-Ups to open the directory. In the directory search bar, type Microsoft Teams. When you see the Microsoft Teams power-up in the results, select it to open its details page. Here, you can review what the integration does and any notes about permissions or data access. Click Configure to begin the setup from within Trello. This will guide you to Microsoft's Marketplace page for the Trello integration. On that page, click Get It Now. If prompted, sign in with your Microsoft work or school account. Some organizations require an administrator to approve third-party apps. So if you see an approval message, simply request access and wait for confirmation before proceeding. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection between Trello and Microsoft Teams. These prompts typically ask you to grant permissions and confirm which workspace, team, or channel the integration should connect to. Keep your Trello tab open, and if you're asked to complete multi-factor authentication, finish that step so the connection is authorized properly. Back in Trello, the Microsoft Teams Power-Up also provides a built-in walkthrough that explains how to connect, along with guidance on common settings and options. It's helpful for fine-tuning the integration, ensuring the right team and channel receive updates, and understanding how notifications and links will appear in Teams. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you work across multiple boards, repeat the setup for each board that needs to post into Teams. And if you don't see updates right away in Teams, double-check that you selected the intended team and channel during the prompts, and verify you're using the correct accounts in both Trello and Microsoft 365. That's it. Your Trello board is now integrated with Microsoft Teams using the best, most reliable method.